Hi everybody, back in the apartment in Guadalmina. So construction work is virtually finished. A few more details and that's it. Electrical wiring, we're starting with that, the switches and the sockets, etc. And we started painting finally, so it becomes much more brighter than it was before. So let me show you where we're at. So here we go, we're upstairs. As you can see, it looks much better already. The first hand has been done. The sockets and the switches are already done. Then the bathrooms obviously are completely finished, tiled, shower plates, flooring. Let me show you where we're going down. So, as you can see, much better. We still protected the stairs because this is going to get painted, this as well, and the rest of the flooring upstairs we're going to polish it. Downstairs we've changed everything. As you can see, it's much brighter right now. You can see all the false ceilings, completely finished, the wiring. Let me show you quickly what it will look like before from this angle. And how it is right now, of course. So yeah, the finishing touches before we can start with putting the kitchen in, the doors and all the woodwork. So speak to you soon.